government is a big, government is big. Government is divided into, different subsets. And depending on what government wants to achieve at a particular point in time, some policy decisions will be taken. Unfortunately, some of those decisions may just have some kind of negative effect on some other sectors, on some other players. So what it is that the government needs to be open to having to respond, to such possibilities. And this government has shown so. There have been moments, in the past in which there was a certain tariff increase or levy increase of 4% or thereabout, and that was withdrawn, that was suspended, after government's attention was called to it. During the tax bills and the public hearings, we had, first Manufacturers Association of Nigeria had their engagement with the Presidential Committee on Tax, on the view of taxes and all of that. And I think that their inputs were taken into consideration to make sure that what was coming out as law eventually doesn't have such a negative effect on the players. So here and there, I appeared before both the Senate and the House committees, defending and trying to, assist solve some of those issues. So some of them had to do with, have a certain department within the ministry, that is, under me, IID, so government, and I think that I had a session, the chairman of that committee actually came to the office to see me, and we're able to reconcile and resolve a few of those areas that were challenging. So so as those problems come up, and problems will come up, challenges will come, issues will come, but because this government has shown, Mr. President has been everywhere around the world, promoting Nigeria in terms of business, that Nigeria was ready, and I think that he's shown that readiness in terms of the way he's reacted, to most of the issues that have come.